The IMF was conceived in July 1944 during the United Nations Monetary and Financial Conference, also known as the Bretton Woods Conference, held in Bretton Woods, New Hampshire, USA. The organization formally came into existence on December 27, 1945, when 29 countries signed the Articles of Agreement. The IMF's primary goal at the time was to rebuild the international economic system following World War II. The Bretton Woods system established a framework for international economic cooperation and fixed exchange rates. The system collapsed in 1971, leading to the current system of floating exchange rates. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, is an international organization that aims to promote global economic stability and growth. Established in 1944, the IMF provides policy advice, financial assistance, and technical expertise to its member countries. The organization works to foster international monetary cooperation, secure financial stability, facilitate international trade, promote high employment and sustainable economic growth, and reduce poverty around the world. The IMF is headquartered in Washington, D.C., and has 190 member countries. Its mission is to ensure the stability of the international monetary system. The IMF was conceived in July 1944 during the United Nations Monetary and Financial Conference, also known as the Bretton Woods Conference, held in Bretton Woods, New Hampshire, USA. The organization formally came into existence on December 27, 1945, when 29 countries signed the Articles of Agreement. The IMF's primary goal at the time was to rebuild the international economic system following World War II. The Bretton Woods system established a framework for international economic cooperation and fixed exchange rates. The system collapsed in 1971, leading to the current system of floating exchange rates. The IMF is governed by its member countries, each of which has representation on the IMF's Board of Governors. The Board of Governors is the highest decision-making body and meets once a year. The day-to-day operations are overseen by the Executive Board, which consists of 24 executive directors representing member countries or groups of countries. The managing director is the head of the IMF and is appointed by the Executive Board for a renewable 5-year term. The IMF's organizational structure includes departments focusing on specific areas such as economic analysis, financial operations, and technical assistance. The IMF's activities can be broadly classified into 3 main areas: surveillance, financial assistance, and technical assistance. Surveillance involves monitoring global economic trends and developments, providing policy advice, and assessing risks to economic stability. Financial assistance includes providing loans to member countries facing balance of payments problems, helping them restore economic stability and growth. Technical assistance involves offering expertise and training to help countries improve their economic management and governance. The IMF also provides policy advice and conducts research on global economic issues. The IMF offers various financial assistance programs tailored to the specific needs of its member countries. The Standby Arrangement, SBA, provides short-term assistance to countries facing temporary balance of payments problems. The Extended Fund Facility, EFF, offers medium to long-term support to countries with structural economic issues. The Rapid Financing Instrument, RFI, provides quick financial assistance for urgent balance of payments needs. The Poverty Reduction and Growth Trust, PRGT, offers concessional loans to low-income countries. The IMF also provides debt relief initiatives such as the Heavily Indebted Poor Countries (HIPC) initiative and the Multilateral Debt Relief Initiative (MDRI). The IMF plays a crucial role in promoting global economic stability. By providing policy advice, financial assistance, and technical expertise, the IMF helps countries address economic challenges and implement sound policies. The organization works to prevent and resolve economic crises, ensuring that the global economy remains stable and resilient. The IMF collaborates with other international organizations, governments, and financial institutions to promote economic cooperation and stability. Through its surveillance activities, the IMF monitors economic developments and identifies risks to global stability. The IMF has played a significant role in responding to various economic crises around the world. During the global financial crisis of 2008-2009, the IMF provided substantial financial assistance and policy advice to affected countries. The organization implemented the Flexible Credit Line (FCL) and Precautionary and Liquidity Line (PLL) to provide crisis prevention and mitigation support. The IMF also increased its lending capacity and streamlined its lending procedures. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the IMF provided emergency financial assistance to member countries to help them address the economic impact of the pandemic. The organization approved debt relief for the poorest countries under the Catastrophe Containment and Relief Trust (CCRT). The IMF conducts extensive research on global economic issues and publishes a wide range of reports and publications. The organization's flagship publications include the World Economic Outlook (WEO), the Global Financial Stability Report (GFSR), and the Fiscal Monitor. These reports provide analysis and forecasts on global economic trends, financial stability, and fiscal developments. The IMF also maintains a comprehensive database of economic and financial statistics, which is accessible to the public. The organization's research and data dissemination activities contribute to a better understanding of global economic challenges and policy responses. The IMF provides capacity development initiatives to help member countries strengthen their economic institutions and policies. These initiatives include technical assistance, training programs, and workshops. The IMF offers expertise in areas such as fiscal policy, monetary policy, financial sector supervision, and statistics. The organization's regional technical assistance centers and training institutes provide tailored support to countries based on their specific needs. The IMF's capacity development efforts aim to enhance the effectiveness of economic management and promote sustainable development. The IMF has faced criticism over the years for its policies and programs. Critics argue that the IMF's financial assistance programs often come with stringent conditions that can lead to social and economic hardships. There are also concerns about the IMF's governance structure, which gives significant influence to advanced economies. In response to these criticisms, the IMF has undertaken various reforms to improve its operations and enhance its legitimacy. These reforms include increasing the representation of emerging and developing countries in the IMF's governance, streamlining conditionality, and enhancing transparency and accountability. The IMF faces several challenges and priorities in the coming years. These include addressing the economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, supporting sustainable and inclusive growth, and promoting global economic stability. The organization will need to adapt to evolving economic trends and challenges, such as digitalization, climate change, and inequality. The IMF will continue to provide policy advice, financial assistance, and technical expertise to its member countries. The organization's efforts will focus on fostering international cooperation and ensuring stability of the global economy. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, plays a vital role in promoting global economic stability and growth. Through its policy advice, financial assistance, and technical expertise, the IMF helps countries address economic challenges and implement sound policies. The organization works to prevent and resolve economic crises, ensuring that the global economy remains stable and resilient. As the global economy continues to evolve, the IMF will remain a key player in fostering international economic cooperation and stability.